Hello everyone, this is the pre-market report video for today 8th September 2023 in the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. As we discussed in the last pre-market video, yesterday before our market opening, Chinese government released a lot of trade data. And in that, both export and import contracted over 7%. So all the major Asian market traded and closed over negative 0.5%. In line with a bad global Q, Nifty opened gap down of 15 points and in the next 20 minutes it dropped another 50 points, but in the following 2 hours it recovered all of its lost point with the help of L&T and Coal India. Yes, you guys heard it correctly. Yesterday, L&T was the top Nifty's positive contributor and Coal India was the third positive contributor since it increased over 7%. In case of L&T, it increased over 4% after there was a news broken that L&T won the Saudi Aramco's contract for near 25,000 crore rupees. I mean, even during the result discussion time, we discussed this, that L&T got very healthy order bank. Now, this Saudi Aramco's contract is an additional one and very important, since based on this experience, they will get much more similar projects. That's the yesterday's positive news on L&T. Then about Coal India, they released the statement that in August month, they produced 52.3 million tons of coal, which was 13% higher compared to 2022 August month. And this is the 5th successive month that Coal India produced highest volume. It means in March, they mined ever highest volume, then again April, then June, July and now in August as well. This report release made that stock to close over 7% positive and thus it supported Nifty as well. So that's the first half story. Then in second half, American brokerage Macquarie released that they expect HDFC Bank to increase 32% and then mainly Morgan Stanley released that they expect ICICI Bank to increase 42% from the present level. Both of this statement triggered the short covering in the bank stocks. I mean, even on last pre-market video, we discussed this. On Wednesday, all the major bank got huge short position and at some point, those who owns those shorts need to cover those. Exactly the same happened yesterday. Multiple brokerage increased their rating on multiple Indian banks, which made the respective stock and Bank Nifty very positive, which in turn it pushed the Nifty above 19,700 level for the first time in the last over 1 month period time. In case of IT, again brokerage called Nomura increased their price target, which made all the IT stocks positive except Infosys. So that's the story. Morning, L&T and Coal India helped the Nifty to recover its losses. Afternoon, short covering in banking helped it to pass through 19,700 and closed positive for the 5th straight session. Among sectors, except metal, FMCG and pharma, all other 10 major indices were traded in green with bank, capital goods, PSU bank, power and realty up by 1 to 2%. Overall, the advanced decline ratio was 1.5. So it's not just index, even the overall market itself very bullish. Yesterday, Indian market defied the global momentum since all major Asian market index closed negative and FI was net sellers for the 4th consecutive session. I mean, even yesterday, the net sold for 760 crore rupees, whereas DII net bought for just 28 crore rupees. Then coming to US, as we know on Wednesday, US service payment data increased to 6-month high value. This along with the job insurance claims data which comes as just 2,16,000 against expectation of 2,35,000 made the Fed monitoring tool to predict over 44% probability that Fed will increase the interest rate in the November meeting. Here, please note, not in the upcoming September meeting, but on the November meeting. This indeed affected the US stock market negatively. Again, because of this iPhone ban in China for the government officials, made the Apple stock to drop further 3%. In the end, Dow Jones increased marginally 0.17%, whereas both S&P 500 and Nasdaq down by 0.32 and 0.89% respectively. In case of VIX, it's flat traded around same 14.5. Then on the positive side, after 10 days of continuous increase, finally oil price dropped near 1%. At the time of this video, WTI crude oil is trading near $87 per barrel and Brent crude oil traded at $90 per barrel. Coming to Indian ADR, no surprises, it's same as Indian market. Only Infosys closed negative, all others closed positive. Same things happened in US as well. About GIFT Nifty, I don't know why premium dropped from 60-70 points to now just 40 points. Here the premium will drop only for one reason. Market doesn't believe Nifty will go further up. Anyway, early morning it closed at 19,767, which means it's indicating a flat opening. So that's what happened across global market yesterday. Now let's see India stock and sector specific info. First, about insurance sector. If required, please pause and have a look. Life Insurance Council released the August sector performance. Here, only HDFC Life Insurance did very good. All others didn't increase on month-on-month basis. In case of LIC and ICICI, it's even worse. They contracted significantly in year-on-year basis. So those impact we might see in those stocks today. Second, yesterday SBI Mutual Fund announced that they're going to invest 410 crore rupees in Nazara Technology. Hence, it's very positive for those stocks. Third, Aurobindo Pharma received the approval from US FDA for their Hyderabad plant. So now they can sell the product from Hyderabad plant. Finally, L&T, Bata India, Coal India and NTPC all got the long build-up, whereas Britannia, Hindustan Unilever and National Aluminium are the stocks that got huge short build-up. As a summary, global momentum is not good. China got terrible growth in import and export. Indian ADRs were very pessimistic, simply follows the Indian market, and GIFT Nifty indicating a flat opening. However, Reliance GDR closed positive. So will Reliance save the day and make the Nifty to close positive for the 6th straight session? Let's see. Then about the things to look out. First, early morning Japanese GDP data is scheduled to release. Then during our market hours, Germany's consumer inflation is due. Then in the aftermarket hours, Indian banks bi-weekly deposit and credit growth data will be due. Finally, in US, there is this Vice Fed President's interview scheduled. Coming to technical, yesterday Nifty displayed strength, especially during the later part of the trading hours. Thus, it forms a long bullish candlestick with a short lower shadow on the daily chart. This candlestick, combined with a higher high formation for the 5th consecutive session, indicates a strong bullish momentum. In addition, both daily and hourly momentum indicators are displaying positive crossovers. Furthermore, Bollinger Bands are expanding with prices trading along with the upper band, suggesting potential further upside. So, if Nifty continues its rally and clears the immediate resistance levels of 19,800 to 19,900, then it might approach the 20,000 mark in the short term. However, if it falls below 19,650, then it will challenge the bullish view, and if it falls below 19,600 to 19,550, then that might signal weakness. Then in case of Bank Nifty, it too forms a long green candle with both short upper and lower shadow. And similar to Nifty, both daily and hourly momentum indicators are aligned with a bullish price movement, suggesting that the ongoing uptrend might not only continue but could also potentially accelerate. So, if Bank Nifty manages to surpass the 45,000 resistance level, it could potentially target the 45,200 and subsequently the 45,500 levels in the near term. On the other side, a breach below the support level of 44,500, which aligns with the 20 daily moving average, could bring in bearish pressures. In such case, Bank Nifty could revisit the next strong support level at 44,200. Moving on, from pivot chart for Nifty, at present the support is present at around 19,600 and strong support is at 19,485. On the higher side, the immediate resistance to break is at 19,790. Then in terms of Bank Nifty, the support is present at around 44,360, whereas the resistance is at 45,285. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video, so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investigation based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for my and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.